Okay, hopefully this will video, and I got this on a little tripod stand. I'm probably going to be freaking out here in a little bit too because I've got wasps. So if you see me doing a dance over there, that's because a stupid wasp is hanging around me. All right, so let's see. Wasps, go away. But okay. Oh my. The screws are very loose on these light fixtures, or at least on this one. So we'll see how it. Screw one. Wow. Okay, kind of cool. All right, I got it opened up. Now, let's see if I can get this thing all pictured up. Okay. And here's the junction box. The light switch, the back side of it. And then all the wiring, cobwebs. So we'll have to figure that out. Looks like I got some pretty old wiring in there. So anyway. Okay, the first light has been cut and detached. I left enough wire here to figure things out. These are pretty gross and pretty dirty, but I'm hoping to resurrect them and make them a pretty thing again. So anyway, but back into my dirty trailer. There is the junction box that light number 1 came off of. Okay, here's a little bit better picture of it. I kind of untwisted the wires. This is the one that goes into the little on and off switch. And then these wires here. And I'll try to take that tape off to make it work. So anyway,